Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix cannot access shared folder error in Windows 11. So the first thing that we are going to do right here is to go into our search bar and then search for services. After that, make sure that you run it as administrator. And then once you're now here, what we're going to do next is to just choose one of the files right here. So just click on this and then just type F. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just look for function discovery resource, which is right here. So we're going to double click on that. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to change the startup type from manual to automatic, which is right here. For the service status, we're going to click on start. And then let's wait for this to finish and then click on OK. After that, once you do that, what we're going to do next is to click S on our keyboard and then look for SSDP Discovery, which is right here. So we're going to double click on that also, and then just do the same thing that we did earlier. So turn this into automatic, and then make sure that the service status is running. So once it is running, just click on OK. And then after that, just type U on your keyboard once again, and then look for UPnP. So this is the one that we're looking for. So we're going to click on that also. And then we're going to change the startup type from manual to automatic. So make sure that it is also running and then just click on OK. After that, once you do that, what we're going to do is to go here again on the search bar and then search for settings. So open this settings right here. Then after that, go into network and internet and then click on advanced network settings and then click on advanced sharing settings. After that, in this part on the private network, so open this drop-down button. Make sure that you turn on network discovery, check set up network connected devices automatically, and then also turn on file and printer sharing. Once you do that, what we're going to do next is to go here on the search bar and then search for turn Windows features on or off. So open that. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just look for SMB 1.0. So this is the file, and then just click the plus icon in this part and then look for the client folder. So what we're going to do is to enable this right here. And then after that, just click OK. After doing that, just go here on the Windows icon and then restart your PC. And then after that, once you reboot your PC, that should fix your problem.